Everything goes right.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good. In this week's vlog I want to show you how I bake my chicken. I had a whole chicken, so what I do, I marinated it with some spices to add flavor in it. Then I left it in the fridge so that it could marinate. After that, I preheat my oven and I set it at about 175 to 180 degrees centigrade, and I time it for about 40 to 50 minutes. And halfway through, once I put in my chicken, I'm going to flip it so that it can cook on both sides. As you can see, I add some lemon slices on my chicken. It's for the purpose of taking away that chicken smell, yeah, so that we can enjoy it. So I'll just leave it to bake. Then once the timer is off, and then I'm going to take it out. It leaves my chicken
Everything goes right. I can feel the breeze, euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet, keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey, sickly sweet, keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be.
So as you can see guys, my chicken turned out fine. Hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next one.